For some, these people are exploiting aspects of other people's cultures without showing any recognition of the cultural significance of the things they've borrowed. Well, it looks like quite a lot of you think I was guilty of cultural appropriation. But let's see if I can change some of your minds. Some might even have considered it a rejection of Japanese culture, which we really didn't want, especially because we thought the yukatas were beautiful. If a person wears clothes from another culture to show genuine appreciation in a way that's respectful, then, to me, appropriation seems too strong a term.